629.
I'm living in your neighborhood because I spend all my money on this type of thing.
Mr. Gillis, go ahead. Want to go down Briarfield? And for, I just turned on Caleb. Over there are walking all over everybody. Please try to repeat that again.
I still got